planting area of about 450,000 hectares in that area. Started well with good germination, and since then we've seen a very dry winter, and compounded with a frost in August that has seen these potential yields continue to drop to somewhere, in the 600 to 700,000 tonne potential range for southern Queensland, combined with probably 300,000 in central Queensland. It's hard to see Queensland have a crop of wheat more than 1 million tonne. Similarly with barley, we saw really good planting acres on the downs. It was said to be about 20,000 more hectares planted year on year from last year, and the potential was looking really good for a bumper barley crop of over 200,000 tonne. Since then, like the wheat, we saw a very hot winter and frost in the last 2 weeks that has made that potential of that crop down to a very ordinary barley crop in southern Queensland. There's only very small stocks remaining in warehouse in southern Queensland, and we aren't able to get access to a lot of the stocks. And in northern New South Wales as well, most of the bunkers are empty, and there is only a few sites that are able to be out turning grain at the moment. The opportunity is that central Queensland harvest is approaching, and their prices are between $30 and $40 lower than southern Queensland. So for the consumer that doesn't have cover through to the new crop, they're able to draw some of those stocks down. We've just come out of 2013 has been the largest demand for cattle on feed on record. The June quarter we had 523,000 cows reported on feed. At the moment we're seeing continued numbers into the cattle sales at Roma and Dalby. Yesterday we had sales of around 5,500 cows in at Roma, and the prices remained fairly low as it remains right there at around feeder cows at around $1.70. With the kill margins at profit, the feedlots are continuing to look for high volume, so they'll continue to keep the lots full and turn over the numbers. So we need to see either an increase in the live prices or a decrease in kill numbers. And in the current market, with good rain in the spring, you'd expect a large sorghum plant, and possibly a large proportion of that sorghum will get fed to cows. However, as we saw last year, Chinese demand has made the spread between sorghum and wheat difficult to efficiently feed sorghum, and it creates a greater demand for wheat in the domestic market, and China continue to demand the sorghum in the export market.
So you're playing on the wing on the weekend, Timmy, in the grand final between Toowoomba City and Goondiwindi. What are your thoughts there, and if called up to replace O'Connor, how quickly can you get down the range for the Wallabies test?
Well, after I bag my 3 or 4 tries, I'll probably still be pretty fresh, and the coach will probably take us off at half time after a big win. So look, I'll be down there by 5:30, 6 o'clock.
You might have to do your hair first though?
It'll be okay.
Good on you.